Good morning. Happy Monday. This is Vladi and this is Start Your Day with Positive Mind. Today we're talking the last of the 7th positive emotions and we are going to talk about hope. Hope gives you options. So it doesn't matter what position you are and where you are with what you've got, if you have hope, you can see the doors. You can see the doors open. I've heard one of my mentors talking a story about her mom and her long-lasting wish or desire to be painting what do you call them? Like a pots. You know, when you create the pots and clay. And she used to paint them, and she said she was making doors. And she said, everywhere I walk, I see doors. They open. You have a hope, you have an understanding. So hope gives you understanding of your creative powers and your creative faculties. And remember, you are the highest form of God's creation. Has never been and never will be another person created that will equal you. And you should love your life. So you declare, I love my life. I'm in control of my life. I'm in control of my life because I am in control of me. And if you control you, then you control the whole life. And whatever happens outside has no bearing on who you are. And hope gives you this understanding. It gives you options, gives you light. And because you are a creator and you create, hope is a beautiful, powerful, positive energy. And so if you see your friends or family or anyone around us, especially now, and you see people would need to understand hope because they feel like they do not have any hope, just talk to them. It is so easy to help these days to someone. For this month, I've said I'm gonna every day find 3 people I can help. Help as many people as you want, but 3 specifically. And every day you try and think who does need your help the most. You can help them, but just talking to them, sending them a text, sending them a message, give them a hope, and they will feel so much better. And once they feel better, they will change the vibration. And once they change the vibration, they go to a higher frequency and the whole thinking will shift. And I want you to take the 7 negative emotions which we talked about. I want you to write them down on paper and burn them. You got all the awareness. We talked about them because I wanted you to be aware that they exist and they can impact you daily. Burn them and don't think of them again. Just think of them. If you notice that you come across it or you feel it, let it go or change, switch, just say switch and just switch to something positive. I want you to write down all the 7 positive emotions and then carry them with you and share them with as many people as you can. Let as many friends share the positive emotions, share the talks about them, and just implement them into your life because they are so important. This is Vladi and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.